Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a water pump on a Dodge Ram 1500. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a new water pump and gasket. Next, completely drain the cooling system into a suitable container. Remember, safety first, so disconnect the negative battery cable before proceeding with any work. Now, let's get to removing the old pump. Begin by loosening the serpentine belt tensioner and carefully removing the belt from all pulleys. Then, detach the fan shroud and the entire cooling fan assembly to gain clear access. Finally, unbolt the old water pump from the engine block, being mindful of any remaining coolant. With the old pump removed, it's time for the new installation. First, meticulously clean the engine block's mounting surface to ensure a perfect seal. Apply a thin, even layer of RTV silicone sealant to the new gasket before positioning it. Then, install the new water pump, tightening the bolts to 20 foot-pounds using a crisscross pattern for even pressure. For the final steps, reconnect all coolant hoses, the fan assembly, and the serpentine belt. Refill the cooling system with about 17 quarts of a 50-50 coolant and distilled water mixture. Start the engine, allow it to reach operating temperature, and bleed any trapped air from the system. Finally, perform a thorough inspection for any signs of leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.